Hello everyone, I am Amit. Welcome to my course. In this video, we're going to see how to handle this file writing and reading with the help of Python. So before going to do that, I will just show you there are some few um, terminologies that you should be aware about. Like here, W is for write, means it is used for writing the file. R is for reading a file. You can see I have used this W R in my code. What do you mean by that? W is for writing the file, R for reading the file. When you use W plus, it means that you have both permission, means you can read a file, write a file, and overwrite the file. When you write A plus, then it means that you have a read and write operation, plus you can append at the bottom also. So it is similar to the just permission that you need while working with the file. So here what is syntax? With open is used to open the file. Then you need to write the name of the file. Then the permission, the mode, we usually say it a mode, in which mode you want to open a file, write mode, read mode, or append mode, or all the three mode. Then you will pass this encoding format. This encoding format is universal encoding format is there, which is used in the electronic media, that web pages, HTML, and how the internet they will understand the content of the file. That is the reason we use encoding format. So it will convert your text into some encode, or it will encode your text into some format that will be easy for the electronic media to understand. After that, you can write the content in the file with the help of file.write. I have used this alias name as a file for this whole instruction. And then in order to write the file, you need to just pass the content. So the you can see in this parenthesis, I have passed this content, this whole content I want to print in my file. So that is why I have written here. So let's run this. Before running into this, I want to show you that there is nothing in my python file.txt. So this is a path from where I'm reading the file. And then you need to go to this new python file. Let me open this. See here, nothing is present. Now once I run this, the content will be available here. This is python underscore file, right? And this is also python underscore file. So let's run this first. It is successfully run. Now let's see whether the content is present. Let me open the file. See, the content is now available, and you can match the content also with what I have written here. See here, the content of new file, the content of new file. Hi there, it is coming hi there, and I'm using this slash n. This slash n is used for new line. If you want to add a new line, you use slash n. And then I have written content of new file. So you see this content of new file. Then I have given the name. Like this you can read. Now this thing is to write a file. Now if you want to read the content, how you can do it? You just need to change the mode. Remaining will be remain as it is, and then you need to just use file.read. Here you have written file.write. In order to write the file, here you need to use file.read. Let's run this again. Now it means that I have read the content. Now if you want to print the content, you just need to use this variable in which you have read it. I will execute it. Now you see the content that I've shown you in the notepad file, it is available here. You can either print by just giving the variable name, or you can use the print function. Both are correct. So in this way, I've shown you how to read a file. Similarly, we have done one more example here, in which I have read this new file.txt, and I will going to append the content in this, the new line. Means it will going to open a file, new file.txt. Let's check whether there is any new file txt there. This one is a new file txt, and in this file nothing is present. Now I want to append this content, new line, in this new file.txt. A plus is used for what? Read, write, and append. You can see the mode is here. A plus is used for read, write, and append at the bottom. So it is used for append. So in order to append the content, just you need to run this, and it will going to add this new line word in your file. So let's run this first. I run this, and it now after that I want to check what is actually present in my file. So I've run this code. file dot read, so it will going to read the content of file, and this one going to write in the content of file. Let me open the file. Let me reopen it and check whether it is written or not. See here, this new line is added. You can verify also from here. Okay, let's try with, instead of new line, let me edit few more comment, few more content. So please enroll the course and give good rating, and let me rerun. Now I run it. It means that it has written, it might have written in the file. Now I will going to read it what actually the content of my file is. So we need to use file.read. Let me run this. Now you see, it means the new line, please enroll the course and give good rating. So let me open the file again. I'm going into the path, and this is the file. Right, now I will click again. So see, it is added, right? So in this way I've shown you how you can add a file, how you can read the content of the file, how you can add on the file with the help of Python code. So if you want to untent, if you want to add anything, if you want to uh, add on the file, then you can easily do it. You just need to change the mode. R for read, W for write, W plus is for all the thing, read, write, and uh, adding. And if you want to append, then you use A plus. So in this way I have explained you how you can open a file, how you can write a file, how you can read a file, how you can append a file. So till then, bye. In the next video I will add some more Python stuff. Bye everyone.